Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check data source credentials and refresh settings so your saved file won't break later. Once confirmed, choose your storage, local, OneDrive, or SharePoint, to enable version history and collaboration. Make sure Auto Recover is enabled and pick a clear file name convention that includes date or version. Save immediately as a PBIX. This writes your current model, queries, visuals, and relationships. Doing this first prevents lost work and ensures subsequent steps operate on a consistent baseline. Once saved, you tackle the model and queries to avoid bloated files. Trim unused columns and fold query steps in Power Query. This reduces refresh time and file size. Then, inspect relationships and measure dependencies so your visuals remain accurate after saves. If your dataset is large, configure incremental refresh to store only changed partitions. Make sure to save after each major change. This creates restore points and preserves the model state, which speeds troubleshooting if you need to roll back. You finish by publishing to Power BI service and configuring scheduled refresh and workspace permissions so reports stay current for users. After publishing, save a dated local copy or rely on SharePoint version history for rollbacks. Make sure dataset settings like parameters and gateway mappings are correct before handing off. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: review the refresh history and data source credentials first, then verify query folding and recent schema changes. This quickly narrows the root cause and guides your fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.